we know that businesses want to meet consumer expectations that surround sustainability. The food and beverage industries in particular are exploring alternative substrates and materials for their packaging, including recycled cardboard, plastic and compostable materials. This has become a crucial step to ensuring their products, including the way that they are labelled, have a reduced environmental impact. Because of this, the demand for printers using more environmentally friendly consumables, including Mek Free inks, is on the rise. At Domino, when it comes to selecting the raw materials we use for our inks, we look to source ingredients that are as low impact as possible. This includes plant-based and bio-sourced materials that can be renewed without negatively impacting the environment or wider community. Mek Free inks have been used more and more because they typically emit fewer volatile organic compounds, which affect indoor air quality and contribute to the formation of ground-level ozone. We use computer modelling software to identify the Mek replacements and assess if all the chosen raw materials are compatible with the new solvent. If they are compatible, they move on to testing before being sold on the market. These are the best options for companies who are looking to reduce the exposure of their employees to solvents, reduce their makeup consumption, improve air quality on existing production lines, and ultimately reduce their environmental impact from coding and marking equipment.